Hi there, students. To claw back. Okay, to claw back or to claw something back is to regain possession of something with great difficulty after you've lost it. Maybe you regain all of it or just some of it. So the business has lost a lot of market share, and now they've started an advertising campaign to try and claw back some of the business that they have lost. There's some good examples with government. If the government gives money to people, very often they then claw it back by taking it back another way. So, for example, the government subsidizes electricity prices, and then it increases sales tax. And like that, they claw back the money. They get it back. Yeah, it's like the left hand giveth and the right hand taketh away. To claw back. Okay, to get money back, to regain a position. Let's see, claw back literally to take back, to pull back. He showed me he put the money on the table, and when he thought I wasn't going to do what he wanted, he quickly clawed it back. I clawed the curtains back to see who was hiding behind them. Okay, so that's real, but to claw back, to regain or recover something with great difficulty, with great effort, because it's not easy to do. My team was 3 goals down at half time, and at the beginning of the second half, we managed to claw back 1 goal, and as the time went on, we managed to, I would even say, claw even. Yeah, we clawed back the lead. Okay, a claw. The claw of an eagle, the claw of a cat, of a bear. Yeah, this is a claw. Yeah, with these sharp things. Okay, so to claw back, to recover something. I think you can probably also have a noun, clawback. It's probably all one word. So yeah, the government gives you money, but then they enact some piece of clawback legislation, so they get it back in another way. Okay, so to claw back, to recover or retake something that was lost. They initially they refused to give me a refund. Finally they agreed, but they clawed back part of the money for expenses that had been incurred. Okay, so I didn't get all of it, but because they clawed back some of it. Okay, so to claw back, to regain something that has been lost. The scandals deeply impacted on his reputation, and it took him a long time to claw back his reputation, but he never reached the position, the reputation that he originally had. Okay, so it's to get back, to claw something back, claw it back, a separable phrasal verb. Notice as well, it's a regular verb. Clawed. I clawed back the money. He has clawed back some of the money. To claw back, how formal is this? It's a phrasal verb. I think I'd probably give it something like a 4.5 in formality. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but I wouldn't use it in something very formal. To recover, to retake something like that in a more formal setting. Okay, and then claw. Well, it comes from the claw of a bear, the claw of a cat, the claw of an eagle, something sharp. And the word itself, claw, we've got an Old English word, claw, which comes from Proto-Germanic, clawo, yeah, which itself is a claw, okay? So, to claw back, to get something back with difficulty. Yeah, once you've lost time, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to claw it back. We set out very late, and I drove as fast as I could to claw back as much time as I could. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To claw back.